It has been neutralized.
Oh no!
Why am I eyes, sir? You've never used them before.
Tonight, across central Texas, many are asking, did you see it? That fire in the sky that some say caused a sonic boom.
We heard an explosion here on Pipe 7.
You can see the fireball on this dash cam video, and look at it here on this police cruiser cam. NASA confirming to ABC News it was a meteor, 4 feet long, 4,000 pounds, traveling 55,000 miles per hour.
The sky seen across the Midwest. All right, so here's one of the videos that we're talking about. Watch for it right there. It looks like a possible meteor just before 7:30 last night. It was also seen in Detroit and actually caused a small earthquake. We've seen all sorts of cool video this morning, though, about this.
NASA and the Federal Emergency Management Agency has been preparing for the unthinkable, an Armageddon-style asteroid colliding with Earth.
The Russian town Chelyabinsk faced a terrible incident.
All they could do was run when they heard a thunder.
This happened to the Earth town.
The top story today remains last week's discovery of an asteroid
As big as a city block that is heading for Earth, and, according to initial predictions, is forecast to hit somewhere between Tokyo and Copenhagen just 24 days from now. Simulations indicate the impact will provide enough energy to destroy a city.
See, we're in the headlines.
I've given up on the news. The modeling's bad enough.
Even 10 kilometers from the impact, heat will ignite clothing and cause third-degree burn.
It's at least 200 meters across.
Big enough to give Tokyo, Seoul or Minsk a really bad day.
Is it as big as the one in Chelyabinsk back in 2013?
No, 10 times bigger. That makes it 5 times as large as that one that hit the moon in 2022.
The UN again today to determine if an evacuation should be.
They're planning to move millions of people. That's never been done. I don't know if it can be.
Data's in.
The next data dump from the Flyout network has arrived. It's essential we get the correct impact time.
I'm working on it.
The flyers are proving their worth today. In 2019, ESA began building a network of fly-eye telescopes to detect and follow asteroids. Without this, Europe wouldn't have the necessary data to react wisely to any future forecast impact like this one.
It's looking as if the trajectory is...
Yes. The impact corridor is narrowed and confirmed. It's going to hit in the South Pacific. So no evacuations needed.
ESA is taking action to help keep Europe safe and resilient from hazards like space weather, Earth-grazing asteroids, and risky space debris. Now is the time for decisions.
This is not about Hollywood. It's not about movies. This is about ultimately protecting the only planet we know right now to host life.
some rather serious news about the comet that has left the orbit of Nibiru and is heading straight towards Earth. Any celestial body that is headed in our direction, there are many theories and projections as to where it may eventually end up. But this one in particular is intriguing, and according to one doomsday theorist, it might just be the one that finally does us in. Last year, NASA detected an object that could be a comet or an asteroid on a path towards Earth.
And the third angel sounded, and there fell a great star from heaven, burning as it were a lamp. And it fell upon the third part of the rivers, and upon the fountains of waters. And the name of the star is called Wormood, and the third part of the waters became Wormood, and many men died of the waters because they were made bitter.
This is not a test. This is an actual emergency. About 2 months ago, NASA spotted an asteroid about 2.5 kilometers wide. Recent updates from NASA state that this asteroid is on a collision course with Earth. Because of the mere size and speed it is traveling at this time, it is likely that a severe impact